Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making Gizdodo. You guys, this is another way to spice up your Gizdodo recipe. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. The first step is to cook the gizzard. I've already washed really well. Next I will season with seasoning powder, salt, onion powder and garlic powder. I will stir well to combine and allow it to cook until soft. While that is cooking, I'll fry my plantain and set aside. Next I check on the gizzard and it's fully cooked and soft. I'm going to set it aside. The next step is to make my pepper sauce for the gizzard and plantain. In a preheated oil, I'll go in with my blended peppers and onions, seasoning powder and all-purpose seasoning. I'll stir well to combine and allow it to fry for 3 to 5 minutes on a medium heat. Don't forget to stir now and then so that it doesn't burn. 5 minutes later, I check on it and it has fried really well. Next, I'll add my cooked gizzard, stir very well to combine and add my fried plantain. I'm going to properly mix to combine and add my baby spinach. Stir until it is well combined. Don't forget to test for salt. And we are done. You guys, this is not your regular Gizdodo. It turned out really nice and delicious. I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!